methods, right, that make me rev my bike is just a joke. I hate to shatter dreams, but it is what it is. This ain't happening. Oh, my back is fucked. Well, today was a fun day at work. So we had a water leak, absolutely insane. It's really windy, so I don't know how well you're going to hear me. Absolutely incredible water leak, because we have lost a total of 87 million litres of water. It's like 87.4 million litres of water, and they estimate to lose upwards of 155 million litres of water by Sunday. So, yeah, it's been a wild adventure of a day, to say the least. I've just been doing fucking everything, all on my fucking own, because that's what I do. I'm a solo fucking worker. And the best bet, I was just leaving work, and as we have no water on the premises, one of the engineers said, "Oh, there's two of us here, do you mind helping unload the van of water?" I said, "No, I'm fucking off, I'm going home." Why are you not a team player, MTtank? Now, good question that. It's because no one can be fucked to help me with my job. So, why the fuck should I help anyone else with theirs? There you go. I'm absolutely a team player, but taking the liberty a bit there, mate. Finish at 4 o'clock, I want to go home at 4 o'clock. I don't get paid to stay longer than past 4 fucking o'clock. Oh dear. Oh, and on top of everything else that's fucking going on, right, you're not even going to believe this. One of my friends on WhatsApp sends me a message. Haven't spoken to him for a couple of days. It's his bike, gone into the back of a car, and his bike's on the floor. Fan-fucking-tastic. Obviously, I'm like, "Are you okay? Do you need anything?" He's fine. He's at home, happily. But he sent me the pictures, and then I replied, and he didn't reply for like 20 fucking minutes. I'm like, shit, he's died on me. What the fuck? Where is he? You know? Oh dear. Everyone just can't fucking communicate, and it drives me up the fucking wall. Jesus Christ. End of this month as well. I think it's like the 18th at the moment, 17th at the moment. End of this month. 2 new tyres. 400 fucking quid later. Absolute joke. Oh well. You gotta do it. Trying to weigh up if I want S22s or Road 6s. I don't really know at the minute. I'm thinking Road 6s because the S22s I'll only actually get maybe 2k miles out of them. It just ain't financially worth it, man. Like, it's a financial fuck, that's the way it is. Oh! Forgot to touch on this bit. Fucking cough. Forgot to touch on this bit. We've got contractors in to dig up the fucking road because Thames Valley Waters and South East Water, or Southern Water, yeah, South East Waters, can't do the job because it's on our property. Contractors in, right? All they're doing, they dig up half the road, then they sit around on their fucking phone all day. So, me being me, right, because I just tell you how it is, I don't really care, I'm as transparent as it comes, I tell them all to get off their phone and do some work. Oh, they didn't like that though, did they? Oh, no, they didn't. Hello, MT-tank. Could you please come to the office, please? You can get fucked. It's my office anyway. It's not your office. I'm only letting you have it while you coordinate this operation. So anyway, go back to my office. I hear you told all the members of staff to get back to work and get off their phone. Completely unacceptable behaviour. That's rude. Wow, here we go. Well, if I wasn't covering for 4 fucking people, I probably wouldn't have said anything in the first place. Tensions are just rather fucking high at the moment, believe it or not. So don't sit there and dictate to me while you warm my chair up. Oh. Anyway, that's what today's adventure's been. Go do this, look. Knickers. Hello? Where are you? I'm at Rackstraws. No, you're not. Where? Oh, you're there. No way. I'm off home anyway, but... How crazy is that?